latest in motorbike news and updates. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2026, the Honda Goldwing GCT. Known for its luxury touring performance, the Goldwing is back with a bang, offering a new range of features and upgrades for the ultimate riding experience. Let's break down what makes the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT so special. Unmatched comfort and technology. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT continues the tradition of comfort with even more advanced features. Honda has fine-tuned the ride with a more refined suspension system, ensuring a smoother journey even on longer rides. The addition of an upgraded infotainment system with better connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeps you seamlessly connected. Plus, the updated navigation system comes with real-time traffic updates to ensure you're always on the best route. Design and features. Aesthetically, the Goldwing GCT stays true to its iconic look but with subtle modern updates. The front end now sports a sleeker, more aerodynamic design for better wind management, and the full LED lighting package adds a futuristic touch. The seat has been upgraded with additional padding, ensuring a plush experience for both rider and passenger. Additionally, there's now a larger luggage compartment to make those cross-country tours even easier. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Goldwing GCT retains its powerful 1833 cubic centimeters six-cylinder engine but has seen some minor tweaks for improved fuel efficiency and performance. The engine now delivers more torque at lower RPMs, ensuring that the bike handles effortlessly through city streets or on long highways. The 6-speed dual-clutch transmission offers smooth shifting and better throttle response, making every ride a pure joy. Safety and convenience. Safety is always a priority for Honda, and the 2026 Goldwing GCT is no exception. The bike comes with Honda's latest rider assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, a forward collision warning system, and cornering ABS. These features work together to provide peace of mind, whether you're riding in the city or cruising on open highways. The bike also boasts a new reverse gear, making parking in tight spaces much easier. Conclusion: the ultimate touring bike. With the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT, Honda has once again set the bar high for touring motorcycles. It combines cutting-edge technology, outstanding comfort, and powerful performance into a package designed for the discerning rider. Whether you're a longtime Goldwing fan or new to the touring world, this bike is built for those who demand the best. Thanks for watching Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Safe riding!